SP500 daily time frame. First of all, this was our trend line. After double top on FOMC, it came down. And if we focus only on last wave, then it has retraced 50%. So until this 50% level clearly break, there is a no selling. So next level of selling will come when this 50% level breaks, and it is 3796 level, and you can call it wave A, then correction B, and next impulsive wave C can break this white trend line. Because you have to understand, US stock can stay up from last hike to first rate cut, and right now rate pause trend has been started. So last rate hike can be March 2023, and first rate cut will not come immediately, it will take time. It all depends on FOMC, but right now market is expecting first rate cut in December 2023. So till then it can stay up, that's mean a counter trend correction to this bearish market, and this possibility has increased after price making rejection on 50% retracement level. By the time price reach near this trend line, it will easily break that level. An upside target will be first 50%, then 61% retracement of this bearish trend top to bottom. So as a trader, your key support level is 3796 and resistance 4155, because next big selling will only come when rate cut will start. Because right now Fed is hiking interest rate to control inflation, and they will pause rate hike, and they are saying that they will maintain 5.1% interest rate next year 2023. But central bank cut interest rate when recession start. When they think recession is going out of control, then they start cutting interest rate. Like we saw in 2021, when inflation was almost under control, it was transitory. When they think that inflation is out of control, when it went above 8%, they start hiking interest rate. So same thing will happen with recession. Until recession is under control, they will keep interest rate at fixed level. But when recession goes out of control, immediately they will start cutting interest rate. Then final market selling will come, and that selling will be very aggressive. So till then it can make sideways correction. This is your low and this is your high, and between these two level you can expect a sideways correction. And in this correction there is a possibility that this trend line breaks. So if you buy with SL below 61% retracement level, and a perfect buying entry will be after breakout of trend line, then buying retest. Because counter trend correction bullish trend which we saw before Jackson Hole meeting, similar like this it is coming. And if we see Dow Jones Industrial Average, then same thing can happen. It is making a sideways correction, neither going up nor down, just sideways. And your biggest resistance level is from 61 to 78% retracement level. This is key resistance zone. And if we see NASDAQ, then since it came down from 50% retracement level after FOMC meeting, it is coming down. Compared to SP500 and Dow Jones, you can see there is a more selling pressure on NASDAQ because this US tech sector which totally dependent on growth, and that growth is not coming for next 5 year. 2023 will be no growth. Central bank will try to decrease that economic growth, so growth will not return before 2024. So on NASDAQ, wait for clear breakout of this support, and if this support level breaks, then you will sell. But before that, this sideways correction has been started. This can be zigzag or chart pattern, but we will only know when correction end or this support level breaks. So next selling entry after breakout of this support or when this chart pattern ends. So back to SP500, here we are getting clear technical signal compared to these three. Same like in FOMC meeting when Fed hike 50 basis point, it came down, that was profit taking. When Fed will officially announce that rate hike has been ended, now they will pause interest rate, then we can see profit taking, and that will be clear in March FOMC meeting. So for buying entry, do not trade without SL below 61% retracement level and targeting 50 and 61% retracement level of this complete bearish trend, and selling on retest of white trend line and break below 61% retracement level. And this week there is no big economic news in calendar, so everything depends on political news. But next year 2023 you will see big price action in SP500 on break below 61% retracement level at 37.24. Downside target is still 61% retracement level of previous bullish trend at 31.95. So this is your support and this is your current support, and next resistance 41.55. These three levels are your key support and resistance.